Something that is super, super exciting is that we have a pool!
Are you having fun?
I haven't filmed in a while, and to be honest, it's...
Right now we are working on the backyard. They're going to be moving the pump and making it look better because there was some tubing sticking out from the ground, and I guess when they installed it there wasn't enough tubing in order for it to look decent.
Hey loves, it's Belinda Selene and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to share with you guys a little vlog, a day in the life, just catch you guys up on what's been going on. I haven't filmed in a while, and to be honest, it's just my little babies, you know, like I don't want to make them an excuse. They're not an excuse, but just spending so much time with them and doing things. I'm sure you guys understand. I wanted to continue on my channel. It is so much easier to make content over on Instagram and on TikTok, and that's where we're at the majority of the time. So I'm still making plenty of content, just not as much on YouTube as I have been on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram. I pretty much upload stories and show you guys how we're doing on a daily basis, and I post just about every single day, but it is very time consuming to edit a video, which usually takes me anywhere between 4 to 8 hours, and by the end of the night I'm so tired, right Pumpkin, that I just need to get some sleep because little Louie over here has been co-sleeping with us since I'm nursing him. Yes, tell him. Same, I eat a lot. And so I'm nursing all night and I wake up every hour, so Mama doesn't sleep at all. Yeah, say Mama does not sleep. We had breakfast already and I made Benji some Mickey pancakes, which makes me so happy because I've been trying to find like a really good recipe. He always eats like eggs, 3 to 4 eggs, and then a bunch of fruit. He loves fruit. So right now we're going to make a snack since it is a little bit later in the day.
Gracias, mi amor.
Something that is super, super exciting is that we have a pool. I've been wanting a pool for so many years. I've been begging Ricardo. He doesn't really care for a pool, but I think after the pandemic, he was like, okay, we need one. And of course, we wanted one when the whole world wanted one. And so we bought ours, I want to say more than a year ago. They were supposed to install it last year in the spring. They were so backed up that they didn't install it into the fall, and we didn't get to enjoy it at all. So we're going to open it for the first time this year, but I feel like everything happens for a reason. Last year, if we would have opened up the pool in the summer, it would have been great, but it would have been unfinished because we still want to get like a patio around it and just like other things to make it I guess more functional. We're going to get patio done around the pool and then another patio where we can have seating. The plants are really cool. I shared with you guys over on Instagram what the plants look like. We used yard scent. I'll add some pictures here and then I'll talk about it in more detail in another video, but just so you guys can get the sense of what we're going to do to the backyard. Okay, so one thing that they didn't do a very good job whenever we installed our pool initially was the pump. I don't know if they ran out of pipe or if they ran out of tubing. I don't know what it's called, but the pipes were sticking out of the ground and it just looked really sloppy and bad. So we had to hire a company to come out to make it look like the pipes are actually going into the ground and not sticking up above the ground where you can trip on them. Yeah. And the babies are here. Louis has just a few more weeks with his helmet.
Mama!
Yes, baby? What is that? Where are the dogs at? Uh-oh. Is that the turtle? Let's see if we can find the rest of the... Oh, here they are, look. I found them. Look. We have the horse, the dog, the bird, the cow, and the horse. Yeah, so Louis has a helmet now. If you guys remember, Benji had one too. And it's just due to the way that they're positioned in the womb. They had really tight neck muscles, which causes torticollis, which means that they can't easily move their head to the other side. So when they would sleep on one side. And then that caused plagiophalangy. I think that's what it's called. I can't pronounce the word right. But it caused a flat spot in the back of their head. And then the helmet just helps correct the shape of their head as they're growing. So it's totally painless. They just have to wear it for a few weeks, or should I say several weeks, anywhere from like 10 to 16 weeks, just depends on how severe they are. They were both mild, and Louis was, you could hardly see anything, but we just wanted to give him his best chance. And they don't mind it for the majority of the time. When I take it on and off, sometimes he does care. And if he does, I'll just distract him with a toy, and then he'll get distracted, won't even notice that I'm putting it on him.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave it there and bring the piping temporarily. We'll put a new line underground so it's flatter, or use that line.
And look what a huge difference that is. They were able to take them all out, add some new pipes. You could tell where they fixed them. Instant smile, cutie patootie. We're gonna go over to Sandy's house. She invited us to go over, and we're gonna go swimming. Yay, yay, yay! We went to a little baby pool. So Ricardo and I got her a little baby pool for Lucas. And we were just in there chilling yesterday, and it was really nice. Because we literally just sat down the entire time. We didn't have to chase after anyone because they were contained in the pool, and they were very happy. Yes, and you were content and having a good time, huh? So we're like, let's do it again. It's so much easier. And then we get to have a good time since it's been so hot outside lately. So come on, Pumpkin, are you ready? We're gonna get going. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go, 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 go. Where are we going? He's like, come on, Mom, let's go. I gotta put his little chanclas on. And since Ricardo works from home, he's gonna take his laptop and work over there, which is really nice. And then we have Benji's lunch, which is something easy and fast. I brought some fruit. We have the pañalera ready. And let's go. Let's go. You need to put on your shoes, baby. Your shoes?
Put your shoes so we can go in the car.
Your chanclas? Get your chanclas. Let's go. Isn't this the cutest little pool? Huh? Are you having fun? Yeah, you're having fun. We found this at Target. I'll have a link down below. It's so cute. And then the elephant spurts out water, which is really cool. But we brought our tent over so that we could have some shade in here, and the kids love it. We put warm water in here along with the hose. And is it fun? Are you having so much fun? Let's take out the hose. Are you gonna go down the slide? Yeah? Whoa! Oh, you're so brave! Whoa! So we just made some tortas. We came back inside from the pool. And oh my god, these are the best. What do they have? They have cream cheese.
Cream cheese, jalapenos, ham, queso fresco, spinach.
With bolillo, that's the best. Over here with all the babies.
Why can't you just sell it? Or return it? I don't know. Where'd you buy it? Yeah.
The dads are chilling, taking care of the kids while we make the sandwiches. Cheers!
Cheers.
We're back from Sandy's house. We had so much fun, didn't we? Yeah, he loves to look at himself in the camera. The kids slept in the car, and I went to the bank to go get some change since tomorrow we're having a garage sale.
and I'm decluttering the house to try and get rid of as many things as possible that we don't need, especially over the past 2 years that we've been hoarding while we haven't really uncluttered. Ricardo's outside cutting the grass right now, and I'm making, oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. And I'm making myself a juice, and I'm making myself a detox juice. I haven't been feeling good. I've been feeling extremely tired, and it's not only because Louis wakes up every hour of the night to nurse because he's teething and he's learning to crawl. He's learning a huge milestone, so I feel like he is waking up for those reasons, but I just feel so incredibly sluggish. Like, not even tired, just like sluggish, and I need to do something about it. I've been eating bad. I feel like I get into a habit of like eating really good, and like I see that I feel better and I feel like just healthier and stronger, and then I could tell that when I start eating McDonald's or pizza, or just like depending too much on ordering food out to eat because it just makes life easier, like it makes me feel like crap. So, and I could tell that's how I felt in my bathing suit. So I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be tired all the time. I need to have energy to keep up with my babies, and I want to feel good about myself. So I made some overnight oats, and I made some juice, some detox juice, because I feel really bloated because I've been drinking, I've been like eating ice cream and drinking like coffee with a bunch of creamer and sugar, and it's just, I'm not feeling that great. So I'm like, you know what? I need to add more fiber into my diet and add more vitamins and minerals. I was doing all of this with one arm because I was holding Louis in the other, and it does not look as neat as I would like to, but I'm just doing some juicing. I put carrots, cucumber, lemon, oranges, just whatever I found in my fridge. Honestly, you can never go wrong. And then a bunch of spinach, which doesn't let out that much juice, but it does add some nutrients. And I will eat these first things in the morning. Instead of having a smoothie with all of this, I just don't think a carrot smoothie would taste that great. But if I have a juice with my breakfast, I feel like it definitely absorbs into my system a lot faster. And I think that is the benefits of juicing. Like, you could totally do a smoothie, it'll keep you full longer, but I want to juice so that I could have it with like some eggs and it'll absorb faster into my system, and it gives you all those good nutrients. You could do a smoothie if you'd like. I like juicing. It tastes amazing. I feel like I'm always dehydrated, especially because I'm nursing Louis so much. So what I did is I just filled them up to here, and then I'm going to add coconut water to the rest of these. And then I made some overnight oats. Here I made one for myself and one for Ricardo. So we have that for breakfast tomorrow. Where are the bees?